Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix GTA 5 not launching easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do just right click on it and then click properties, go to compatibility and then click change settings for all users, and here we'll find run this program as an administrator. Enable those two options, disable full screen and administrator, and then click OK and OK again. And after that just open task manager and then close all applications that you don't need like Google Chrome, and also just scroll down until you find just click memory here, click memory, and here we'll find applications that use a lot of your memory like Discord and Google Chrome. Now just close all the applications that you don't need and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.